Is it time to buy or sell the SPY Exchange Traded Fund? In this video, we will delve into the SPY. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 30th of July, 2024, and today we aim to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, click the like button, and activate the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You certainly do not want to overlook any vital updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by utilizing our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Harness the capabilities of AI to receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one among 25,000 companies globally today. Please keep in mind that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 24th of July, 2024, our system has identified SPY as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -2.53. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Interestingly, the stock has outperformed our system's predictions, registering a gain of 0.14%. This equates to an average return of 0.03% per day since it was classified as a sell candidate. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned within the lower segment of a weak rising trend in the short term, which typically signals a favorable buying opportunity. Should the lower trend floor at 540.52 be breached, it would initially suggest a deceleration in the rate of increase. Additionally, this could serve as an early indication of a potential trend reversal. The existing 3-month trend indicates a possible change of 8.13% over the upcoming 3 months, with an anticipated return ranging from 7.84% to 14.09%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it predicts a change of 30.92% over the next year, with a possible return between 23.56% and 37.72%. This translates to a price range extending from 669.69 to 746.44 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for SPY includes the headline, Red Day on Tuesday for SPY. The SPY ETF price fell by approximately 0.5% on the last day, Tuesday, the 30th of July, 2024, from $544.76 to $542. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated 1.64%, with a day low at $538.52 and a day high of $547.34. The price has declined in 7 of the last 10 days, accumulating a total decrease of 4.04% during this period. Volume increased on the last day by 8 million shares, even as prices fell. This may serve as an early warning, indicating a slightly heightened risk over the next couple of days. In total, 41 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $22.18 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $565.15, while the lowest price was $409.21. Currently, the price stands 4.1%, or $23.15, below the 52-week high of $565.15, which is also the all-time high for the ETF. In the latest developments with the SPY ETF, investor interest surged last week, with ETFs attracting over $22 billion in new capital. This level of inflow signals strong investor confidence, which could lend support to SPY's price in the short term. Meanwhile, the S&P 500 has seen a notable decline, falling for 2 consecutive weeks, primarily due to profit-taking amid an earnings season characterized by high expectations. A decline of 0.83% last week broke a 3-month streak of gains, and despite being up 16.10% year-to-date, this pullback could evoke caution from investors watching for further corrections. With economic indicators painting a cautious picture, including a stubbornly inverted yield curve and declining leading economic indicators, the SPY may face hurdles ahead. The anticipated shift in focus towards safer dividend stocks amidst rising credit card debt and consumer spending concerns suggests that some investors may rotate out of growth sectors, impacting the SPY's performance over the longer term. Additionally, analysts are watching the real estate sector closely, anticipating that any rate drops could rejuvenate interest in real estate investment trusts. While SPY remains a favorite for its broad market exposure, alternative ETFs that provide greater diversification are gaining attention. Hence, while the short-term outlook may show volatility, the long-term trajectory of SPY will depend significantly on broader economic conditions and shifts in investor sentiment. The following signals have been identified for SPY. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The SPY ETF is presenting sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which indicates a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general sell signal is evident from the relationship between these averages, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. If there are upward corrections, resistance may be encountered at levels of 545.61 cents and 548.64 cents. A breakthrough above any of these levels would generate buy signals. A sell signal emerged from a pivot top point on Tuesday, July 16, 2024, and thus far the stock has decreased by 4%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is a current sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence-divergence indicator. Volume increased as prices fell yesterday, which could serve as an early warning. Therefore, it is advisable to monitor the ETF more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence-divergence, sell signal, pivots, sell signal observed 11 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal noted 4 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal registered 11 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal identified 6 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 4 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we can see short moving average, sell signal noted 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal observed 180 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 169 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SPY. SPY finds support from accumulated volume at $527.37. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is tested. Generally, this exchange-traded fund tends to exhibit very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk associated with this stock is considered very low. Over the past day, the ETF fluctuated $8.83 between its high and low, which is 1.64%. In the past week, the ETF experienced an average daily volatility of 1.40%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SPY. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SPY is at $544.22. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SPY encounters its first support level at $527.37. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this exchange-traded fund, and there is no stop loss in place. Is the SPY ETF a good investment option? The SPY ETF currently displays several negative indicators. Despite a recent positive trend, we anticipate that SPY will experience weak performance in the coming days or weeks. Thus, we maintain a negative outlook on this ETF. After evaluating the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 31st of July, we expect SPY to open up 61.8 cents and commence trading at $542.62. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any purchases or sales of securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.